Dear participants and the distinguished experts, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to warmly welcome each and every one of you to this very special event. I'm very happy to deliver my speech on this important aspect. Before we get started, I would like to sincerely thank the organizers for giving me the opportunity to highlight the importance of the mountain, transhumance, pastoralism, and rangeland governance issues. Let me start by reminding the significance of the rangelands and pastoralism. Over half of the Earth's land surface is classified as rangelands. Rangelands are among the harshest production environments, mostly located in the dry lands, steep mountains, and extremely cold areas unsuitable for crop production. Pastoral systems rely on the seasonable mobility of animals and people within and across the borders. Rangelands and pastoralism support the millions of the people's livelihoods and food security, while delivering nature-based services benefiting all. In many countries, pastoralism generates significant employment and economic contribution to the national gross product. The number of people raising livestock in pastoral and agro-pastoral systems is estimated to be over 200 million across all the regions of the world, and their practices vary according to the diversity of the ecosystems. Given the importance of the rangelands and pastoralism for the nutrition, health ecosystems, income and employment generation, and other important dimensions of the Sustainable Development Goals, at the initiative of the government of Mongolia, the United Nations General Assembly has adopted unanimously the resolution in 2022. I'm proud to emphasize that Mongolia's initiated resolution entitled International Year of Rangelands and Pastoralists 2026 was co-sponsored by more than 60 United Nations member states representing all regions of the world. The International Year of Rangelands and Pastoralists will increase global understanding of their importance to the global food security and environmental services, highlighting valuable traditional knowledge. It will also foster innovation towards sustainability and overcoming poverty of pastoralists and boost efforts for the investment in pastoral systems and restoration of degraded rangelands. Let me highlight some important elements of the resolution. Firstly, the benefits of healthy and productive rangelands and ecosystem services, such as nutrient cycling, carbon sequestration, soil formation, and protection of erosion, traditional medicine and tourism, as well as pastoral systems. Secondly, the economic, governance, and development dimensions of the pastoral systems and productive rangelands, and some of most valued products on the global market come from the pastoralist systems. Last but not least, the societal dimensions of the healthy rangelands and sustainable pastoralism and their contribution to the sustainable development. For example, SDGs on reducing poverty and hunger, improved access to quality education and learning opportunities, health services, inclusion of women, elderly and rural youth, promoting sustainable peace, etc. In conclusion, I wish to express my sincere gratitude to all the participants for your active participation in the 9-day capacity building program, and good luck to all distinguished experts and faculty members and fellow participants, and I wish you a very successful program.